So climate change impact models, energy impact models, require climate projections as input data. But those models in general are quite heavy to run, and we can't afford to run all the climate simulations into them. So we need to select subsets of climate simulations to ease the whole process. But we also need to ensure that those subset of climate simulations represent are representative of the variability which is present in the global dataset at the beginning. Therefore, we worked with the Clean4Energy Copernicus energy module to define a new methodology to select subsets of climate simulations in order to be able to run those application models. And in that way, we managed to define subset of 3 to 5 or 7 climate simulations out of the full CMIP5 and Cortex ensemble, which is much better and much easier to run into our application models.
In this Copernicus energy module, subsampling of a large simulation ensemble has been carried out based on 3 main criteria. Criteria related to spread in climate sensitivity, spread in climate response variable to greenhouse gas increase, and also a criterion related to model performance. So those criteria have been chosen because it is important for users to be provided with skillful simulations, but also with extreme contrasted scenarios in order to anticipate a wide range of possible futures. We have defined metrics to characterize sub-ensembles with regard to those criteria. And then selection is made by maximizing those criteria. This graph represents, in the space of spread and performance metric, 231 5-member sub-ensemble out of the initial 11-member ensemble. At the top of the figure, sub-ensembles are characterized by a good coverage of the initial ensemble spread, and at the right of the figure, sub-ensemble includes simulations that perform best with regard to energy sector requirements. The red circled sub-ensemble is selected because it is characterized by high metric values, but also because it limits the redundancy of global and regional climate model included in the sub-ensemble.